There are these birds that have visited my farm. I don't know which kind of birds are these. They've come to my garden. Maybe you can tell me which birds are these. Are they the quails, or are they the Guinea Fowls? I don't know. They are flying, but they look big enough. Maybe you can tell me what kind of birds they are. I saw them today in the morning, and they're quite good looking. So maybe you can tell me in the comment section which kind of birds are these. Is it a male or female? And you see how good looking they are. Yeah, that's my garden. Those are pumpkins. They are the pumpkins area. At the front part, those are potatoes, and right here these are sweet potatoes. So tell me which kind of birds are these. You see there are three of them. Here they are. They are just walking by. They are feeding themselves. So what kind of birds are they? Tell me at the comment section.